Here are some common reasons why your sleep may be suffering. Too much caffeine or alcohol consumption before bedtime. Exposure to screens such as phones, laptops or televisions before bedtime. An inconsistent sleep schedule or staying up too late. Today I'll tell you 12 tips that will help you get better sleep. 1. Make a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. As people are creatures of habit, they have a difficulty adjusting to sleep patterns. Even if you sleep more on weekends, this will not fully compensate for lack of sleep during the week and will only make you wake up harder on Monday. Set an alarm for bedtime. We often set an alarm for waking up, but we fail to do that for bedtime. If there's a single tip you need to remember out of these 12, this should be it. 2. Exercise is great for sleep, but not too late in the day. Try to exercise for at least 30 minutes on most days, but not 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Tip number 3. Avoid caffeine and nicotine. Coffee, cola, some teas, and chocolate contain the stimulant caffeine, and its effects can last up to 8 hours until it is eliminated from the body. So, a cup of coffee in the second half of the day can make it harder to fall asleep. Nicotine is also a stimulant which often makes smokers sleep superficially. In addition, smokers often wake up too early in the morning due to nicotine withdrawal. 4. Avoid alcoholic drinks before bedtime. Although alcohol can relax you, consumed in large quantities, it can deprive you of REM sleep, thus keeping you in shallow sleep phases. In large quantities, alcohol can also contribute to breathing deterioration during the night. You will tend to wake up in the middle of the night when the effects of the alcohol have disappeared. 5. Avoid heavy meals and drinks late at night. A snack is acceptable, but a heavy meal can cause indigestion, which will interfere with sleep. Also, if you drink too many liquids at night, it can cause frequent awakenings to urinate. 6. If possible, avoid medications that delay or disrupt sleep. Some medications prescribed for the heart, asthma, as well as some herbal remedies prescribed for cough, cold, or allergies can disrupt sleep patterns. If you have sleep problems, talk to your doctor or pharmacist to see if any medication you are taking may be contributing to your insomnia, and ask if you can take it at a different time of day or early in the evening. 7. Do not nap after 3 p.m. A nap can help you if you didn't sleep well, but it can also make it harder to fall asleep if it's done after this time. 8. Relax before bedtime. Don't fill your day so you don't have time for relaxation. A relaxing activity such as reading or listening to music should be part of your bedtime ritual. 9. Take a hot bath before bedtime. The decrease in temperature of your body after taking a shower or bath could help you feel drowsier. Bath can help you relax and slow down your heart rate and breathing, preparing your body for sleep. 10. Make your sleeping environment comfortable. Your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. Use heavy curtains or an eye mask and earplugs to block light and sound if necessary. Also, make sure your mattress and pillows provide comfortable and supportive sleep. 11. Avoid electronic devices before bedtime. The blue light emitted by electronic devices such as cell phones, laptops, and televisions interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep patterns. Try to avoid electronic devices for at least an hour before bedtime. And 12. Don't lie awake in bed. If you're awake after lying in bed for more than 20 minutes, or if you start feeling worried or anxious, get up and do some relaxing activities until you feel drowsy. Anxiety that arises when you can't sleep can make it harder for you to fall asleep. These tips are from Matthew Walker's book Why We Sleep. I'll put a link to the book in the description if you want to read it as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this on this channel.